Every house has its own story, built on a strong foundation of trust and security, with shades and colors that add liveliness to the surroundings, and fabrics that provide a lustrous feel and durability, and the substance that brings it all together. Be it in paints and coatings, construction, adhesive and textile, we draw infinite possibilities. Whatever your business, Visen can help you strengthen and shape it together. Visen offers an extensive range of polymer emulsions offering endless applications. VAM acrylic emulsions, VAM Viova emulsions, VAM Viova polymer emulsions, styrene acrylic emulsions, pure acrylic emulsions, acrylic thickeners, acrylic dispersing agents, and opaque polymers. Our technological innovation enables companies to refine their products and strive for even greater outcomes. Today, we are a technological leader providing value-added solutions with products touching lives, environments, and industries in over 25 countries. It takes flexibility and a high degree of responsiveness to meet the shifting needs of the marketplace. That's why we invest in making tailor-made solutions for customer requirements with our new range of eco-friendly emulsions. We believe in the art of cooperation with a better together approach that backs Visen's relentless pursuit of excellence. Starting from a small unit set up in Tarapur, India in 1985, Visen has witnessed manifold growth. With new units being set up in Chennai and UAE, Visen is marching towards global leadership. Crafting, building and expanding horizons, seeking out opportunities, and learning to be better, stronger, greener, and more sustainable. Crossing boundaries and strengthening promises. Creating bonds for life. Visen.